Hello everybody, this is my video 7. As you can see, my native language is French, therefore I will try to speak the best English I can. And something else, I have to follow a text so that I don't forget important details and I make a better video, better structure. And for those who find my video without going through my website, let me introduce myself. My name as a self-taught and multidisciplinary scientist is Gilles Lauzon Urtubise, and I am the owner of the First Human Multi-Intelligence.com site. So the title of my video is Dark, Black or Transparent Hypothetical Matter. Does it exist? Well, according to a French language Wikipedia source that relates to the hypothetical dark, black, or transparent matter, this material is invoked to account for astrophysical observation, in particular for estimate of the mass of galaxy and cluster of galaxies. As far as I'm concerned, hypothetical black, dark, or transparent matter does not exist for a multitude of logical and physical reasons. First, it is quite normal to be able to encounter areas of the universe that are black or dark, because they have stars that are insufficiently powerful to be visible from a great distance. Okay, so yeah, so they are insufficiently powerful to be visible from a great distance, and this result in these areas appearing as black or dark area, and it has nothing to do with hypothetical black, dark or transparent matter that doesn't exist. Second, it is quite normal to be able to encounter areas of the universe that are black or dark because they contain stars that are insufficiently numerous to be able to form a poorly light area into an area visible at a great distance. So they have not enough stars, and all of those stars are too small to be visible by a long distance. So that explains why then. And this result in this area appearing as black or dark area, and it has nothing to do with hypothetical black, dark or transparent matter that doesn't exist. Third, one should do not confuse black or dark area of the universe with a concept of accommodating magical thought of hypothetical black, dark or transparent matter, because it is a monumental mistake to take them into account in the estimate of mass of galaxy and cluster of galaxy, which lead to mass estimate of galaxy and cluster galaxy, which are totally wrong. Fourth, from the moment my extraordinary spaceship will be duly deposited, I'll in all countries that required its deposit, I will then be able to fully publish my imposing model theory of how the universe works on a macroscopic scale, and many more reasons that hypothetical black, dark, or transparent matter cannot exist. And of 50 and 100 or more theories that go into my imposing model theory of how the universe works on a macroscopic scale, there are between 2 and 20 or more theories that explain the reason why, amongst others, there are areas of the universe that are black or dark because they have low density stars and a density that is too low. Because they have low intensity of the star, low intensity stars, and a density that is too low. On the other hand, even thought in the universe there is a large amount of dark or black area. I do not suffer under any circumstances from the darkness of the universe because I have imaginate capacity that are out of the ordinary, and I am able in my brain to imagine large array of universe and imagine entire galaxy and how they work together. In addition to the reason why all of the objects in the galaxy are all connected within themselves and passing through its center, which is a supermassive black hole. So this is a further evidence of a complete misunderstanding of the universe works on a macroscopic scale on the part of all the other astrophysicists before me. Why? Because the universe is so complex and it's so far away from us. So it's for me, I can understand why all the other astrophysicists, they cannot go through, they cannot overcome those immense difficulty or complexity before all of them, before me, can begin to decode little by little how all the objects in the universe work. Then after, to be able to start forming different theories until they become satisfactory and agree with each other, and then to be able to start producing a sufficient quantity of theories that can all be complementary until they manage to explain how the universe works from A to Z or almost, so as to achieve the same level of explanation as all of my theories of my imposing model theory of how the universe works on a macroscopic scale. For me, it's very easy to understand why no one before me had any chance to achieve such an intellectual feat. As far as I'm concerned, there is no way that my extremely high physical logical mind could be buttered or fooled by any branch of complex mathematics or any other kind of magical thoughts. And among of my 50 and 100 or more theories of my imposing model theory of how the universe works on the macroscopic scale, there is none that has any connection to mathematics. Besides, I am not here to discredit the works of the other astrophysicists, but it is my duty to discredit all of his work when it is a magical thought like hypothetical black, dark, or transparent matter. Well, that kind of stuff, which have no chance to exist, first of all, then. But yes, so it is my yes, but it is my duty to discredit all of these magical thoughts is at odds with some of my theories of my imposing model theory of how the universe works on a macroscopic scale. In addition, through my self-taught study in astrophysics of 5 years and 8 months to successfully decode the functioning of the universe on the macroscopic scale, there is no mystery that I have failed to decode or solve. And if there are any mystery to be discovered that I have yet to meet, I sincerely doubt that any mystery of the universe can withstand my very high intellectual powers in investigation, reflection, deep analysis, and inventiveness of all kinds and other amounts of other intellectual capacity. Because so far I have always managed to decode or solve all mystery that I have encountered, or at least provide at least one satisfactory explanation or more than one. And of all of my and of all my theories that go into my imposing model theory of how the universe works on a macroscopic scale, there are none of them that can be called a theory of one or more accommodating magical thoughts, because all of my theories are based on one or more relationship of physical cause to physical effects and nothing else. And furthermore, I am the first to succeed in producing the first between 50 and 100 or more new theories in astrophysics to form my imposing model theory of the universe works on a macroscopic scale. On the other hand, if it's happened in the near future that I come to realize that one of my theory is no longer acceptable, I will change it right away. But it is possible that any of my theories could be completely wrong. I don't believe it. But if it's happened in the worst case, I will just have to make a slight modification to it. So then, and why I'm so strong in physical reality, it's because all of my life I like nature so much, and I started to listen and watch nature by the age of 5 or 6 years old until now. So, and during all of that time, I kept knowledge. They goes to my hard drive, biological hard drive or human hard drive, and all of those knowledge, and it's quite big because it have a lot of knowledge. So that's why I can detect very fast magical thoughts and reject them. So that's the way it is, and so that's why I'm so strong, and I never be satisfied until my model theory get a level of satisfaction of 100% and nothing less. After that, I would put on the side and work on some other folders. So, well, thank you for viewing my video, and welcome to my next video, which will reveal my opinion on another subjects in the universe. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.